present and you.
Yeah, the same for you, same.
Can I ask you some questions about your family?
Yeah, you can ask me.
How many members are there in your family?
Yeah, there are 4 members in my family. And about you?
Yeah, there are 4 members in my family.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Yeah, I have 1 sister and me and you.
Yeah, I have 1 sister and me.
Can you tell me about your parents' name?
Yeah, I can.
What is your mother's name?
Yeah, my mother's name is Nat and you.
Yeah, my mother's name is Kamstrong.
What is your father's name?
Yeah, my father's name is Thon and you.
Yeah, my father's name is Nat và Nat.
Oh, by the way, what is the main religion in the Cambodia?
Yeah, the main religion in the Cambodia is Buddhism.
Which religion do most Cambodian people follow?
Most Cambodian people follow is Buddhism.
Oh, what religion do you follow?
Yeah, I follow Buddhism and you.
Yeah, the same to you say.
What religion does your mother follow?
Yeah, my mother follow Buddhism and you.
Yeah, the same to you say.
What religion does your father follow?
Yeah, my father follow Buddhism and you.
Yeah, the same to you say.